In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it within Messages app, use this plus on the left and click on Camera section in the pop-up. Then take a picture. If you want to, hit Retake at the top left corner. Use those editing options at the bottom left corner. To send it instantly, tap on this arrow, and to only attach it, hit Done. Now, if you want to add photos already on your device, use the same plus, and this time select Photos. Now you need to scroll down, click on all of your pictures you want to add, and if you can't find them, use those searching options at the bottom, or hit Collections at the top and look here. After selecting all of your pictures, tap on the checkmark at the top right corner to attach them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!